to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how M&Ms are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Did the cocoa pass inspection? Yes, clear it for the conveyor. We need to discuss the colored coatings next.
Later, reviews comfort balanced for flavor and texture.
The flow rate is consistent. Temperature is stable within tolerance.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
We need to increase the spray cycle by 5%.
Adjusting the flow rate now.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility. Manifest checks out. Pallet 4B is cleared for loading. Keep the line moving.